How to set headphone accommodations for phone calls or media or both on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down. Then in here, scroll down and tap on Audio and Visual. Next, tap on Headphone Accommodations. Then scroll down to the bottom, and in the Apply With section, choose whether you want to apply the headphone accommodations for phone calls or for both phone calls and media. So just tap on the toggle button for phone to turn it off or switch it on. If you want to switch it off for media, you can tap on the toggle button in the media section to turn it off. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.